Do you know English words, but when it is time to speak, you don't know what to say? Here is the good news. You do not need thousands of words to start speaking English. You need simple sentences that you can actually use every day. In this video, you will learn 100 daily English sentences for real situations, from waking up in the morning to talking with friends, asking questions, shopping, eating, working, and going to sleep. Listen carefully and repeat each sentence out loud. Some will be very easy, and that is exactly what we want. The goal is not to learn difficult English. The goal is to make useful English automatic and stay until the end, because the last sentences are perfect for keeping a conversation going. Ready? Let's start. First, let's begin with sentences you can use every morning. Good morning. How did you sleep? I just woke up. I'm still tired. What time is it? I need to get up. I'm going to take a shower. I'm getting ready. Where are my keys? I can't find my phone. I'm hungry. What's for breakfast? I need some coffee. I'm ready to go. Let's go. Now imagine you meet someone or start a conversation. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thanks. How about you? What's your name? My name is Alex. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from Brazil. Where do you live? I live in São Paulo. How old are you? I'm 20 years old. What do you do? I work and study. Do you speak English? A little. I'm still learning. Great. You already know 30 useful sentences. Now let's learn some sentences for everyday conversations. What are you doing? I'm just relaxing. What are you talking about? I don't know. Really? That's interesting. That's a good idea. I don't think so. Maybe you're right. I agree with you. I understand. I don't understand. Could you say that again? Please speak more slowly. What does that mean? How do you say this in English? Can you help me? Now let's talk about things you like, want, and need. I like this. I don't like that. I really like it. I love this song. What's your favorite movie? I want some water. I need some help. I need to go. I don't want that. I want to learn English. I'm hungry. I'm thirsty. I'm tired. I'm busy right now. I'm free today. Did you notice something? These sentences are short. You do not need complicated grammar to communicate. If you learn simple patterns like I want, I need, I like, and I don't know, you can create hundreds of new sentences by changing only a few words, so keep repeating them. Now let's go shopping. How much is this? That's too expensive. Do you have a smaller size? Do you have a bigger size? Can I try this on? I like this one. I'll take it. Can I pay by card? Do you have change? Where can I pay? Now imagine you are at a restaurant or cafe. Can I see the menu? I'd like some water, please. I'd like a coffee, please. What do you recommend? I'll have this, please. This is delicious. Can I have the bill, please? Thank you. Have a nice day. We're getting close to 100. If you are still here, try something different. Do not only listen. Repeat the next sentences immediately after you hear them. This will help your mouth get used to speaking English. Let's practice sentences for work, school, and daily plans. What time do we start? I'm on my way. I'm almost there. I'm running late. I'll be there soon. What time are you leaving? I'm going home. See you tomorrow. I'll call you later. Send me a message. And finally, here are some powerful sentences that can help you keep a conversation going. What do you think? Why do you think that? What happened? Are you sure? Tell me more. That's amazing. That makes sense. I've never thought about that. What about you? See you later. You just practiced 100 useful English sentences. But do not try to memorize all of them today. That is not the goal. Choose 10 sentences that are useful in your life and repeat them every day. For example, I'm on my way. Could you say that again? What do you think? I need some help. I'll call you later. Use them when you are alone. Say them while you're getting ready, walking, cooking, or looking at yourself in the mirror. Here is your challenge. Tomorrow, come back to this video and listen again. This time, try to say each sentence before you hear it. If you can remember even 20 or 30 sentences, you are already making progress. And remember this, you do not become better at speaking English only by understanding English. You become better by using it. Listen, repeat, speak, and repeat again. Simple sentences used every day can become automatic. And when they become automatic, you do not need to translate every word before speaking. So start with 10 today. Add 10 more later. Little by little, These sentences will become part of your English. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel and practice English with us. And tell me in the comments, which sentence from this video will you use today? Keep listening, keep repeating, and most importantly, keep speaking English. See you in the next lesson.